Welcome to our template extraction demo. Setup for our template extraction tool is easy. The first thing you need to do is create a new template. This could be an invoice, an exam, or for our example, we're creating a template for a tax form. Very exciting. Let's call our template test, which is saved as a .template file type. Now, we need to add pages to our blank template. And for our tax form, we're going to add a rasterized image of the first page of this already existing tax form. Now, clearly, I love taxes, but I don't need all of these fields on here. So I can define the ones I want to use by using these define field tools at the top of my screen. This selection includes tables, checkboxes, radio buttons, multiple choice selections, barcodes, text, and image fields. With a simple drag and drop, I've created my first checkbox field. You can see it in the Fields List panel on the left-hand side of my screen. Every field has a unique name that can be changed, making it easily identifiable. Let's create some text fields for organization names, first names, and social insurance numbers. We can alter the properties that we're looking for in these fields using the Properties panel in the bottom left-hand corner. For example, social insurance numbers, we know that these are always numbers. So let's change the info dropdown from text to numerical. Let's save our template and test that it's actually working properly on a pre-filled form by using the Extract button in our toolbar. Here's an example of a filled version of this template as an image. If this works, we should be able to accurately retrieve information of the checkboxes in the filing information section, the organization's name, and the individual's first name and social insurance number from this TIFF file. In our result pop-up window here, we can see that it's been successful. We can also see that it's recognized that it's using our test template in this master form field in the top left. There's a 96% confidence in the accuracy of this data retrieval. And in the data table here, we can see that we have all three of our checkboxes that we defined marked as ones or zeros based on a yes or no value, and our three text fields. This is very easy to scale, and it gives you lots of flexibility with how to work in standardizing data retrieval. Now, if you don't want to be selective in what fields you extract from with a drag and drop tool, you can automatically detect fields to set your templates up faster. Simply click the Auto button on the toolbar, and now all of your fields will be selected, saving you lots of time in creating these fields from scratch. Thanks for listening to our demo. Please feel free to reach out to our team if you're interested in learning more or about the pricing of our solutions.